What is your name?
My name is Abrasan Tassim.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is MD Tassan Habib.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Shobna Akhtar.
What class do you read in?
I'm reading nursery.
How many hands do you have?
I have 2 hands.
How many legs do you have?
I have 2 legs.
How many fingers do you have in your 2 hands?
I have 10 fingers in my 2 hands.
What is the name of our national bird?
The name of our national bird is magpie robin.
What is the name of our national fruit?
The name of our national fruit is jackfruit.
What is the name of our national flower?
The name of our national flower is water lily.
Very good. What is the name of our national anthem?
The name of our anthem is Amar Sonar Bangla.
What is the name of your school?
The name of our national my school is British Bangladesh International School and College.
Okay.